Hello guys, this is Armar here, and today I'll be showing you guys a cool tutorial on how to download Among Us full version, or you can call it premium or DLC version. It's been a long time since I made this video, and let's get to it. So first of all, you open up your browser, and the link will be in the description down below, the one that I give you right here. So copy that and just paste it on your web browser and just click enter. So once you've clicked enter, just ignore this thing, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, I will ensure that the link that I'm going to give you is in WinRAR files. Okay, make sure that you have WinRAR on your PC. So once you type in WinRAR on Google, just go to Windows 10. Make sure that you have an updated support files, for WinRAR version, so it will be compatible with my files. So once that's done, once you installed WinRAR, and copy this link. Make sure it's this link, okay? It's not the other link that I gave you, and paste it on your web browser again. And then it will say Among Us full premium PC version .rar. Okay, once that checked, just click on download, and I will ensure you that this link that I gave you has no viruses, 100%. Why would I do that? Why would I give you viruses? Okay guys, so stop commenting on the comments. It has virus and all the bunch of stuff. No, I used it a lot. I played it a lot. Steam has that skin you can purchase, right? But this one is premium set on its own, so you don't have to worry about viruses and all a bunch of stuff. Okay, so once you've downloaded it takes me less than a minute to download, so don't worry about downloading, I guess. Alright, so once you download it, here's the file. You right click on it, click on extract files with WinRAR, and click on OK, and it will ask you for a password. Okay guys, if you guys watching this, the password is yoursus, S-U-S, okay? Yoursus. It's okay, I'll zoom it for you to see. And once you've done that, click on OK, and it will continue its extracted files. So once you extract the files, just delete this WinRAR file. We don't need that. Come on, man. Alright, so after that, left click, double click on this, double click on that, and double click on this. And just ignore this thing. You don't have to read it. If you wanted, you could just read it. I don't care. It's your files, man. All right. Go to Among Us and right click this Among Us. Go to Properties. After that, go to Compatibility, and make sure you tick this Run this program as an administrator, and click on Apply. Mine's already ticked, so it will say apply. Okay, and then click on OK, and then yeah, you can play it. Right now you can just play it, and make sure that you have your Steam account open so that it will connect to your Steam, and your purchase is unlocked. All right. So if you can see right here, it's all unlockables. You've unlocked all the skins and all the pets that you can have on this game. So you guys try this game, man. It's really fun. It's really, it will blow your mind off. So these are all the skins that you can have once you've downloaded this game. So I like mine as this guy, this little guy, and also the little, so I can be the dad, you know what I'm saying? A dad with two sons. Alright guys, I think that's it. You can have all the hats, all the skins. You can have pets. Yeah, it'll be fun. See those guys with no skins? Wow, you bunch of nerds. No skins, wow. Noobs. Alright guys, make sure you have mouse and keyboard on your settings, and so that you can have a full experience with your keyboards, not just your mouse. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it guys for today. Oh yeah, if you're having a lag, or like your resolution doesn't support, make sure you have that on play. You just put it on 800. I played on a bunch of PCs that have like iCore 3, iCore, the low-end PCs. I played on resolution, and it works fine. I guess it doesn't have a problem. This game is like the most lowest quality game ever. but it's fun to play, you know. That's why I made this tutorial video for you guys. It's for you guys. Come on, it's for 700 subs, guys. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you would leave like down below, it will be really much appreciated, guys. And make sure you guys check out the description for the links and also the password if you guys watching this. Okay, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe will be really much appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for more quality videos.